From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott.
And I'm student meteorologist Mitchell Cocaine.
And I'm student meteorologist Chris Marks.
Here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Wednesday, January 29th.
Well, happy birthday, you good sir.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Revolution around the sun.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it. 33 today, but I'm feeling like 23,
That's
so
the spirit.
we'll take it. The older I get, the younger I feel.
There you go. Take it while you can. Get
Yeah.
it.
Until
Yeah,
your knees
absolutely.
start cracking.
Yeah, well, that's happened a lot. Quite a long time ago, given that I've golfed since I was like 6 or 7 years old. They've been cracking since my teens. But, you know, looking out the window, it's pretty sunny. It's nice out there. Highs are going to actually get into the 50s this afternoon, so this is going to be, you know, the warmest birthday I've had in quite some time now. And as a warm weather lover, you're not going to hear any complaints from me at all. So
That's
we'll
a nice
take it.
change from what we've had
Oh,
here lately. Yeah.
absolutely. You know,
I agree.
from last week, early and middle of the week, we had lows in the single digits, even the negative single digits. Now we're in the 50s.
Yeah.
I think most people can agree this is a lot nicer than what we
Much preferable.
dealt with last week. But as we move into tomorrow, there is going to be a cold front that swings through tonight, but the air mass behind that's really going to be quite similar to the one we have out there today. So it will turn a bit chillier tomorrow, but overall it's still going to be mostly sunny and quite a nice day with highs in the 40s. There will be a storm system that tracks from the central states to southern New England, spanning Thursday night to Friday evening. So that's going to bring some periods of rain to the lower Susquehanna Valley later Thursday night through Friday. That rain will taper off, however, later Friday afternoon. We'll pick up a beneficial 1/2 to 1 inch of rain from that system, but there will be a trailing cold front that will push through the area on Friday night. And then as we move into the weekend, it looks like it's going to turn a lot colder, right, Mitch?
It does look like it's going to turn a lot colder. Let's take a look at it. So we got that Canadian high pressure, that colder Canadian high pressure, settled over the Great Lakes region. That's going to turn our winds to the northwest, and it's going to provide much cooler conditions and much more sunny conditions. And then looking at the Euro, you can see that it's a pretty good correlation between the two, so nothing really too different there. And then taking a look at Sunday, that Canadian high pressure is going to move over the northeast. Over the northeast, and then it's going to turn our winds more to the southeast, and we're not going to really worry about too much warm air on Sunday. It's going to be more of a Monday thing, and good correlation there again with the Euro again. And Chris, taking a look at Monday.
Yeah, as Mitchell said, Monday we're going to be, that warm front's going to lift through the Commonwealth into the northeast. That's going to bring the warmer air north as well. So we're going to have high temperatures on Monday in the 50s to even maybe near 60 degrees. And there's good model agreement between the GFS and the European model as well. The cold front to the northwest is oriented a little bit differently, but for all intents and purposes here in southeastern Pennsylvania and the Lower Susquehanna Valley, it's not going to make that much of a difference. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds as well. But overall, Monday looks to be a pretty pleasant day.
Yeah, it's going to be a great start to the week next week. And even though that front is going to slide through here Monday night into Tuesday, the air mass behind that front really isn't going to be all that cold by early February standards. There is some slight disagreement between the Euro and the GFS on just how far south that front gets, but both models do suggest that it does push through our region Monday night. But like I said, the air mass behind that's still going to be quite nice for early February. So Tuesday should turn out to be a partly sunny and rather pleasant day with highs still in the mid-40s to perhaps even as high as 50 degrees. So taking a look at the medium range campus weather service forecast, mostly sunny, breezy, and colder on Saturday, high 38. Mostly cloudy, breezy, and seasonable on Sunday. We'll still be on the cold side of that warm front, so I'm still expecting a high around 38. But by the time we get to Monday, our winds will turn to the southwest, and it will turn pleasant and much warmer with a mix of clouds and sun with a high near 58. And then looking forward into Tuesday, a bit cooler, but still pretty nice out there with partly sunny skies and highs in the mid to upper 40s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast. Tune back in next Wednesday for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the nicer and warmer weather out there over the next week.